the NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency for users looking to create healthy and delicious shakes on the go. This blender, designed by NutriBullet, comes in an elegant gray color that complements any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this product is its portability, making it an ideal choice for individuals with busy lifestyles. The compact design of the NutriBullet Personal Blender allows users to enjoy freshly blended shakes wherever they are, whether at homework or while traveling. With a capacity of 1.5 pounds, this blender offers enough space to accommodate various ingredients for your favorite shakes. The product dimensions of 5.5 RD into 5.5 W into 7.9 H make it easy to store on countertops or in cabinets without taking up too much space. In conclusion, the NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes is a reliable and efficient appliance that caters to the needs of individuals seeking a portable.
The Ninja BL 770 Mega Kitchen System is a versatile powerhouse designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern kitchen. With its robust 1500W motor and innovative design, this product excels in providing exceptional performance across its range of functions, including smoothie making, food processing, dough mixing, and drink preparation. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL 770 is its manual operation, giving users full control over the blending and processing tasks. This manual feature allows for precision and customization, empowering users to achieve their desired results with ease. Measuring at 15.75 inches in diameter, 11.1 inches in width, and 18.07 inches in height, the Ninja BL 770 boasts a spacious design that accommodates various ingredients and quantities. Its generous 4-pound bowl capacity enables users to prepare large batches of food or drinks, making it ideal for both everyday use and entertaining guests. Available in a sleek and stylish black color, I recently had the opportunity to test the Ninja QB 3001 SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with its performance and design. The first aspect that caught my attention was the sleek black color of the blender, giving it a modern and elegant look that would complement any kitchen decor. Its compact size is ideal for small spaces, making it perfect for individuals or small families. One of the standout features of this blender is its pulse technology, which allows for precise control over the blending process. Whether you want a smooth consistency or a chunkier texture, this blender delivers with ease. The pour spout is a practical addition that simplifies the pouring process without any mess or spills. The 16 fluid ounces capacity is sufficient for making single servings or small batches of smoothies, shakes, or sauces. In terms of dimensions, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender measures 4.3 inches in diameter, 4.3 inches in width.
The Ninja BN 701 Professional Plus Blender in dark gray is a powerhouse kitchen appliance that combines style, functionality, and performance. With a robust 1400 peak watts motor, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, purees fruits and vegetables, and blends smoothies to perfection. One of the standout features of the Ninja BN 701 is its versatility, thanks to multiple speeds and pre-programmed settings that make it easy to achieve the desired consistency for various recipes. Whether you're making a silky smooth soup or a chunky salsa, this blender can handle it all with ease. The pulse technology feature adds an extra layer of control, allowing you to quickly pulse ingredients for a precise texture. Additionally, the 64 fluid ounces capacity ensures you can make large batches of your favorite drinks or dishes without any hassle. Not only does the Ninja BN 701 deliver top-notch performance, but it is also designed for convenience. The blender is dishwasher safe.
The Ninja BL 660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines power and convenience for all your blending needs. With its sleek gray design, this blender adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. The single-serve feature makes it perfect for individuals or small families looking to whip up a quick smoothie or meal without the hassle of a large blender. Featuring a generous capacity of 72 fluid ounces, This blender is suitable for blending both small and large batches of ingredients. The compact design, with product dimensions of 17D into 6W into 8H, ensures that it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces, the Ninja BL 660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender delivers consistent results every time. Its powerful motor and sharp blades make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, giving you smooth and delicious blends with ease